In this video, we are going to talk about the top 10 proven ways to make money online. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Due to its numerous advantages and a relatively low entrance barrier, many people are interested in making money online. The majority of online income generation techniques merely need a computer or mobile device and a reliable internet connection. You can conduct business using these techniques from any location and on your own terms. Here are the top 10 proven ways to make money online. Number 10. Find freelance work. Working for yourself and completing jobs under contract is known as freelance work. When you work as a freelancer, you are still self-employed even if you sign a contract to work for an organization. Also, there are many internet freelance employment. In reality, there are several websites that post employment for freelancers. Number 9. Start a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel can be used to earn money online in a variety of ways. AdSense adverts are the most widely used method for monetizing your videos. You get paid each time someone clicks on your advertisement. By wearing or utilizing specific things in your YouTube videos, you can also advertise for brands. To encourage visitors to visit your online store and purchase your products, include a link to it. You may also work with other businesses to advertise their products. Number 8. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a straightforward and successful business idea. Instead of paying to store your product, you serve as a middleman. Search online for vendors that will sell you their goods at a discount so you can mark them up and make a profit. Many of vendors are available to supply you with your goods, which might range from computers and clothing to jewelry and healthy food. Number 7. Take online surveys. It may surprise you to learn that taking surveys online can earn you money. There are places where you may do surveys online in your own time and get paid with gift cards or cash. Please remember that some sites for paid surveys are superior to others. One option to get money online by taking surveys is through branded surveys. It's also a common favorite. They offer a welcome bonus, contests, a loyalty program, and rewards that are competitive. Each survey you finish will pay you up to $5. Number 6. Create a blog. Blogs are a well-liked method of making money because they are simple to start and provide a variety of ways to monetize them. If you are knowledgeable about a subject, you may develop an online course and charge visitors to your site for your knowledge. You might also sell visitors to your site digital goods relating to that topic, such as tutorials, templates, ebooks, and more, if your blog focuses on that particular subject. Number 5. Write and publish an ebook. To earn money online, you may always write and distribute an ebook if you have some knowledge on a particular subject. Just make sure the subject you choose for your blog post is appropriate. Given that your audience visits your site due to your topic or specialty, doing this will boost your odds of earning a sale. You may also create a mailing list and inform potential customers about your ebook via email. Number 4. Become a virtual tutor. There is always a need for tutors. You can assist students in raising their grades and getting ready for tests, whether you're a teacher or someone with specialized knowledge. Just remember that you should have teaching experience and a certification in the relevant field. Having credibility will benefit both parents and pupils. Number 3. Become an influencer. Influencers are persons who use social media or YouTube to advertise or suggest goods in order to influence potential customers to buy them. Start considering your potential niche if it appeals to you. You can have a passion for travel or fashion. Perhaps you have a lot to say about technology or athletic equipment. Choose a specialization that enables you to highlight your strengths after taking into account your strong points. Number 2. Build websites. Every company today requires a website. Today, you can create a website without even knowing how to code, and there is a tremendous market for web designers. You can quickly create a website that appears slick and professional by using a service like MailChimp. You can even get a domain through MailChimp that corresponds with a specific subject or company if you're creating a website from scratch. Number 1. Start investing. Don't overlook the regular stock market, even though you can surely look at other investment ideas like real estate and cryptocurrencies. Many people believe they are unable to invest in the stock market because they lack the necessary funds. What do you think about our video? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.